We are back with the Asuga. Give it another crack here. Got to get used to this handling a little bit now. I just finished driving the big rock. There's no little kids around me. I don't want to smack any of them in the head. Working alright. Okay, I'm getting the fuel for it now. Whoops. See if we can line one up and do a big send here. Oh, that was interesting. Let's go again. Nice. Okay, let's go big here. Absolute bash machine. Just made it. Handling on this and the way this drives is just absolutely insane. We can go on the Superman jump. Here we go. Big jumps. I was lucky. That headwind playing a little bit of tricks on me. Oh, it's upside down. Here we go. Survived that okay. That's insane. The kick up it gets off that jump. Oh. All right, let's wrap it up, because I think it's fair to say that this combo with these tyres is just absolutely mad. Love this thing. Just works a treat. Oh, there we go. That's LVC. We are out of power. And that's it for another running video with this Asuga. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.